Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've just received a little package in the post and I believe it to be a Happy Mail package. So I thought you might like to open it with me and see what we've got. Our little leg warmer pen grip is just there because there's a little bit of an address on there and I don't want to be giving that away. Okay, let's get this open and see what we've got. Oh, I say packets in packets. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, let's have a look at this one first then. See what this one is. Ooh, looks very posh. Oh, hang on. I think we need the squizzers to have a quick get into it. I don't know. It's like Christmas every day, what with all the little parcels I'm getting and all of my advent calendars. It's wonderful. Oh, look at this. Wow. Okay, so, oh, look at those. Very sparkly and shiny. Oh, look. The little cherries have got faces on, look, little smiles. And oh, look, the little strawberry has as well. Oh, they're gorgeous. Wow. Okay. And oh, there's lots in there as well. Let's have a look at this and see who this is from. To Liz and Lily, to Liz and Lily. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's a nice Christmas card. Look at that beautiful stag. Ooh. Oh, it's from Zoe. Thank you, Zoe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year of 2026. That's lovely. Thank you. Yeah, Zoe sent me a few parcels in the past and things that she's done for me. And I've kept them all. I do have them. I have my stickers in my little sticker folder. And actually, she did me a Buzz Lightyear buddy as well. So, yeah. It's a Buzz Lightyear day today. Okay, let's have a look at this. This is a handy little box as well. Ooh, we've got some Christmassy stickers. Let's see. What are you looking at? I'm having to keep an eye on Millie. I think she's thinking it's self-service. Ooh, look at that holographic bag with those stars on. Can it just catch them? Yeah, before the light gets them. Ooh, very nice. Okay. So, yeah, these all go in my sticker book. So we've got a Merry Christmas and a Happy Christmas and, oh, a nice bow with some holly. And some stamps there. Look, they're nice. Oh, look at the little bear. We like the bear. And then, whoops, oh, honestly, I'm so clumsy. And another Merry Christmas. So they're lovely. Thank you. Stickers in a sticker box. Millie is just opening a parcel in the conservatory. Millie, I don't think that's for you. I really don't think that parcel's for you. Yeah, do you think it's Christmas Day already? Have you just decided you want to destroy that bag? Okay. All there is in it is just, well, not a lot really. Oh, now you've got a lovely, shot of a Scottie's butt. 2 Scottie butts. That's my Scottie ornament that I used to prop my door open. Yeah, so she's just taking out, I can't even remember what's in that bag, but it's nothing. It was in the pile for charity. So yeah, you're not going to find any food in there. She has a stick down here, look. So it's not like she needs to be fed. What are you doing? Do you think it's Christmas already? We've got another 2 weeks to go yet. Well, 13 days to Christmas Day. Oh my goodness. What have you got out of it? There's nothing for dogs. Oh, okay. Right, oh, you've taken it out the plastic bag as well. That was really good of you. You've left me lots of tidying up to do. It's not a dog toy, is it? Wasn't very exciting, was it? No, don't start on my toilet rolls. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. So was that fun? Was that fun eating that? I don't know. The things that you'll get up to. Oh dear, so brief interlude of Millie opening presents all for herself, because you can see me opening this one, so she wanted to open one as well, which she just has done. It's never a dull moment in this house. Right, let's see what else the lovely Zoe sent me. Oh, look at these. Super. Wow, look at that tape. And this is proper washi tape because it's paper, but it's blue and sparkly. That is absolutely gorgeous. And look at the amount on that roll. Yeah, diamond painting 24. Take note, this is a roll of washi tape. That is beautiful, thank you. Oh, look, and we've got a little gonk. Oh, and they're all wrapped in little separate bags as well. This is wonderful. Oh, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all these little things. Look at that. Oh, he's super. His little feet, look. Got a little parcel sat in front of him. Oh, that is gorgeous. Little keychain. That'll go on my Christmas tree. Well, I've got like a little stick tree. It was my one that I got for Halloween a couple of years ago, and at the moment it's just got Lego ones on, but it'll have its first diamond painting one on now, and then this one as well in another little posh packet. Does this one open here? It does, yeah. These packets usually do open, so you don't have to tear them, which is very nice. And we've got a little deer. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. And we've got a hot pink on it as well. Yes, a bit of hot pink. Okay, so they're lovely. So they will go on my little tree. And then we've got another little parcel as well. Oh my goodness. I've been totally spoilt this morning. I'm so lucky. Oh, wow. What's this? We've got a little diamond painting. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, we've definitely got a theme going on here. We've got a little stag there. We've got a little stag Christmas card, and I believe that this is a stag on a diamond painting as well. Wow. Oh, this is super. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you. Okay, pen boat and wax, and yeah, so it looks like it's a 30 by 40, I would suggest. So I will keep this, and we are going to do the 30 by 40 challenge next year. Sorry, there's quite a bit of glare. There you are, look, you can see it better now. So I will keep this and do it for the 30 by 40 challenge. So, and I know this is a reindeer. Look at its feet, and it has a different face to a stag. So this is a definite reindeer pulling a sleigh. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. So yeah, we are going to do the 30 by 40 challenge. I'm thinking May next year, because I'm not sure what other people are doing, but I think May would probably be a good one to do. So if you start saving up your 30 by 40s, or if you've still got your 30 by 40s left from last year, I do apologise that it was cancelled, but yeah, it wasn't a good time, unfortunately. We did lose hubby in May, and then we had to wait until June for the funeral. So yeah, it wasn't a great time, but we will definitely do it next year, and it will take my mind off my first anniversary, I think, as well, because yeah. Okay, so but look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, wonderful. So look at all these great things that I've got. I am so lucky, and I'm not going to take all the gems out to show you. It is a round one. So my favourites, I do like my round canvases. It is 26 different colours. So yeah, but I've not seen this one before. That is just gorgeous. Yeah, and we've got our sleigh, look, with all the presents on it. I've just had a little Scotty dog lay on my foot, and she's really, really heavy. She's very, very cross that I'm opening parcels without her. But she's still a little bit damp, so I don't want to put in damp paw prints all over here. Okay, well, oh dear. I don't know what else to say, but a huge thank you, Zoe. These are absolutely wonderful. I consider myself very, very lucky that you've thought of me to send them. And you've thought of me to make me things as well. It's so gorgeous. It's so wonderful when I receive things that people have made. Because, yeah, it's just so special. And I really, really do appreciate it. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. As I say, I just consider myself so lucky. And yeah, thank you. I'm blown away. If you've enjoyed looking at these with me, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.